welcome. It's probably that.
What is going on, guys? So I am on a regular call for a tire service for a 2020 silver Toyota 4Runner. I got in contact with the customer because the dispatch told me that she was on the side of the road, which is not actually on the side of the road. She is actually in the gas station parking lot. So we're gonna go ahead and get to her, get her tire changed out, and get her back up on the road. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Oops, didn't mean to do that. I've seen. Alright. Yeah, it was kind of tricky. That truck was blocking.
That's why nobody helped us.
Yeah. Alright, if I can, let's see. Oh, they don't make this easy for the 4Runners. Right.
No wonder nobody stopped to help us.
Yeah, let me see what I could do. Should be able to get it. Come on now. Gotta love this phone. There you go. And you got the spare tire?
I do. Down here.
It's down below?
Yeah.
Let's see here. There's like a little access area underneath.
We have to take everything from there.
No, that's not it. Here,
Well,
let me.
the last time this happened, so they were messing around with that area.
Yeah, that's just the stuff for the spare tire thing. Actually, I think that is. Hold on, let me grab my flashlight. This little light is not going to help. Why is my windshield wipers on? Where's my flashlight? I don't know where my flashlight went.
Yeah.
Oh, found it. This is weird. I might have to use my kit instead because this is not right.
One guy stopped to help us. Maybe he messed up with it. I think he was drunk.
Yeah, maybe.
And I told her, I'm pretty sure he didn't know what he was doing.
Here's mine. Mine will fit right in. Mine will fit right in. You gotta be kidding me. Nope. Come on now. This thing. Here, I'll just use this. Not that one. That's mine. Put that in here. Let me grab this. There you go. Alright. There you go. Let's see, will this go under the car?
And I have
Let's see, yeah. Let's see. 51. Yep, that'll be fine. There you go. The lock? Yeah, I need that one. Is it all 6 of them?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all 6 of them. Alright. Appreciate it. Should be able to get it right there. Yeah. Full battery. It is just on there. Almost lost one.
Yeah.
Alright. I can't get that. Alright. And where did the... Oh, there it is. Alright. Let's see. This might go... Yeah, this will go underneath the car. I just need to take the center off and everything. It'll go right underneath the car. That way you don't have to have it in the back seat or anything like that. Let me go ahead and get my tools out real quick. Oops.
Why did that happen to that tire? It's from you.
Give me 1 second. I'll take a look. Actually, let me take a look at it now.
She had the same problem last week with the other tire. And they say because she hit something, I don't think problem. I took a picture when I got here, and it was this.
Oh, right on the side?
Yes. But I don't find it right now. I don't know because it's air or something. I don't know.
Yeah, right there.
You see?
Yeah, right there. That's pretty good.
Exactly. That can happen in the road?
Yeah, it can happen in the road.
Without feeling anything?
Yeah, without feeling anything. I mean, out of nowhere, you're gonna see that kind of stuff.
Because she had the same problem the other tire last week.
Yeah.
How can that happen?
I don't know. I mean, your guess is as good as mine because I've seen so many different things. I've seen like razor blades, I've seen a screwdriver, I've seen nails, screws, bolts, X-Acto knife, everything. I've seen everything.
That's really pretty new. I don't know if it's because of the...
I mean, judging on this, this can be repairable. It's repairable, yeah. So I can mark it with my pen and everything, so when you go to a tire shop, they can fix it up.
Okay.
So let me go ahead and mark it real quick.
If you have to go to Toyota... You don't have a choice? Huh? You guys don't have a choice? What? This happened to me twice within a week. And she blamed Toyota because of their tire. Well,
Yeah.
I didn't blame Toyota. I blame whatever they did to my car when they did the rotation.
Yeah, possibly. I mean, you got pretty nice tires too.
That's a good quality tire?
Yeah, it is a really good quality tire. I just don't know how that would have happened.
So, I mean, my car was perfectly fine until I went to get an oil change. And they're like, well, I just bought these tires. That one over there is brand new. And the other ones I got them all around March time frame.
Yeah.
Went in, got the oil change. They're like, hey, since you got the tires, get a free rotation. I was like, cool, fine. My car felt weird. Let them know. They're like, no, it's fine. Okay. Then that one, there was a gash in there.
Yeah.
Tell me it's because I hit something. I didn't hit anything.
Yeah.
And then now the same thing happened to the other tire. So I'm assuming it's something they did with the rotation.
Possibly.
And they had me driving on the stairs for about 3 days, 4 days. So they ordered me a new one.
Dang.
So I think maybe the alignment messed it up, and that's why that happened to this one.
There is no telling. I don't know 100%. Dang, that does kind of suck though. I don't know.
And we don't have a space for the other tire, so we're gonna.
Now I'm gonna get this underneath the vehicle because I gotta take the center cap out.
Okay.
And then once I get that off, I could put it up underneath the vehicle. That way y'all don't have to stress out about having a tire in the back seat or anything like that.
It's good for us to drive all the way to Athens.
Athens, yeah.
That tire?
That tire, yeah, you can drive like normal on that tire.
It scared me because we're women, so.
Yeah.
I don't know nothing about Georgia. It's my first, not my first time. We always pass by here, but.
Yeah.
Everything feels so like different.
Yeah.
She's been here for how long? I just PCS here in February.
Mid-February.
So now. She likes it.
She likes it here.
She likes it where she lives.
Okay.
She broke my heart because she said it's better Georgia than Florida, and I was like, you broke my heart.
Yeah.
I'm just not a city person.
Yeah. I'm a Georgia person. I'll go down to Florida. I'll visit. I mean, that's basically it. But other than that, like, if I'm gonna be moving down to Florida, yeah, I'll probably be homeless by the time I get down there. Alright, I'm gonna. Yeah, it is. But I love Clearwater Beach. Love that place. Gotta watch your back though, but yeah, I love it there. Huh? Did what now?
Do you like fishing? Is that one?
No, it's just when you visit down there and you got some things that are with you and you leave it on the beach and then you turn your back for about 5 seconds, you turn around and it's gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, both Clearwater and Jacksonville Beach. You gotta watch everything. Yep.
We're different people. What are you talking about?
Yeah. There you go. Where's the cap? Oh, the cap is down here. There you go. Now, a little bit more. There you go. Come on. Oh, no, I gotta get lower. I'll just lay down. Yeah, it does take a pretty good hit on your finances when you're trying to invest in all this.
Buying it all at once, I'm sure it's gonna hurt.
Yeah.
It's expensive? Yeah.
Yeah, it's very expensive. I mean, I already spent too much on my company.
This is your company?
Yep. I'm just contracted out through like all sorts of different companies, so like.
So that's a good
Oh yeah.
Do you have to pass any test for this, or you just know about tires?
You as long as you have like really good general sense of like working on vehicles and how to pop them in neutral and all sorts of different stuff, like it shouldn't be too hard. But if you don't know how to do all that, they'll probably test you for a little bit, and if you can't get it, then they'll probably kick you out.
Since it's my company, nobody's gonna kick me out. Contractors will probably be like, you know what? Like the guy who tried to help us. I noticed he said, no, no, no.
Alright. There's your key back.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Alright. And she has landed. Woo. They souped it up with aftermarket stuff. That's basically it. And that's your little center cap for your tire, so whenever you get the tire replaced. Alright. Let's see what the insurance company wants. Oh, they need a signature. Verify that the job is done.
Thank you so much. You're our lifesaver.
You're welcome. And they need the mileage of the vehicle. Yeah. 872. Alright, and y'all are good to go.
Thank you so much. You're a lifesaver.
You're welcome, no problem. Alright, you too, and drive safe. Honda Civic. Alright, so I got another one for a Honda Civic. Couldn't determine a driver to dispatch. No available drivers. Front wheel drive. Let's see here. It's a spare tire change. Let me go ahead and contact Patricia or Portia. Let me contact this customer. I'm going to go ahead and get to her. If I don't include this video, I'm sorry. But let's go ahead and get to this customer and see what we got from here. As always, thank you guys for watching. God bless.